What's that right there? What is that? Whoa! Big old lake, baby. Big old lake. Is he focusing on me or what? Well, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to yet another video, and today we are fishing in Wisconsin. So today I'm meeting up with my boy Justin, my boy Jay. You guys know who he is. He's been in a ton of videos. If you don't, I don't know how you don't. He's in all my videos pretty much, but we haven't fished in a while, and I just drove an hour and a half up to here in Wisconsin. And to be honest, we really don't know what we're doing. So we're pretty much fishing for everything. I'm talking like bass, carp, literally anything that's willing to bite. And I think we're going for bowfin tonight. So there might be two parts to this video depending on how much we catch. I really couldn't tell you. It's a multi-species day. It's gonna be really fun. I'm really looking forward to it. And I really hope we can catch at least a lot of fish. I don't really care about how big they are. I just wanna catch a ton of fish, and it should be a really fun day. Gorgeous day here in Wisconsin. Also, I do wanna thank you guys so much. We just hit 8,400 subscribers. If you guys are new here, hit that subscribe button down below if you haven't already. And I'm gonna stop talking and get out of my car because it is getting so hot in here. And we're gonna rig up. We're gonna wait for Justin, and we're just gonna wing it, guys. We're gonna see how today goes, and I hope we can land to some fish and provide some good content for you guys watching. So without further ado, I'm gonna put this down and let's start fishing. Let's go. Then we're good to roll. We good to go. No one. Yes. So they're in here, bro? They're all in here. Under the bridge? All right, guys, so I think right away we're gonna go for some carp. It's a little windy down here, but we're under a bridge, and we're just gonna, what do we do, twisty tails and shit? This is dope. All right, how deep is it here, you think? It's like 11 feet. Oh, damn, that's actually really deep. All right, let's do this.
I was feeling them down there for sure.
Really? What the fuck? You're on? Already? Oh, look at this dude. And wow, so you just got like what, 15-pound carp on right now? Probably?
Probably, maybe bigger.
This guy's crazy, guys. I'm not even done rigging up. Ballsy, bro. Just kidding. Oh, come on, dude. You see him?
Yeah.
I missed it. Oh, yeah. Okay, no, he missed it. And there she is. That is a tank.
This one was snagged. That's just because there's so many down there. Just it's bound to happen here and there, but
That's dope, dude. I want to get one. I'm trying to get bit, bro.
probably like 15 pounds, honestly.
That's so
They grow
cool.
big here.
Lighting, so guys, sorry for the terrible lighting. It's hard under the bridge. Really difficult, but we got some shots of it. That looks pretty cool. That's dope, dude.
No eye.
No eye. That's so cool. Let's put her back. Good fish, bro. Let's get some more. It's time for me to get bit, boys. Oh, that's a dime cast. Are you kidding me? The scale I had was huge, dude.
There's just so many here.
There's one.
You got one?
Yeah, I got one. I thought it was a rock at first. It's just slowly tugging.
I'm gonna throw over here and see if I can double up. Just make it as chaotic as possible.
You're gonna try to double up?
Yeah.
Why are we going for chaos, bro? Oh man, we're gonna be here for a while, boys. But all we're throwing is little twisty tails. I got like just a white jig head, and then twisty tail. Look at that camera angle, boys. We got camera on the bridge. Been fighting this fish for a while now, and I don't think he's getting any closer. Okay, he's getting a little tired. I'm pulling just a little bit, but this is dope, guys. This is what I'm talking about. This is unreal.
Hey, I'm on.
Are you really? Oh, come on. We're doubled. I'm just gonna sit down. I'm just gonna sit right down. I got plenty. I'm gonna check my emails. I'm gonna check my Instagram messages, miss phone calls.
Look at its tail.
Oh, I gotta look right by the tail.
Dude, its tail is huge.
It's right over here.
Oh my god.
Come on, man. Oh, that's a tank. Is he in? That's a beast.
Yeah, it is.
Get up here, boy. That's a tank.
Don't worry.
Let's go.
Can you bring it over?
Go. Here's the fish. 24 pounds. This is a really long one. There's the fish, guys, and we're just gonna put her right back. I just throw her in. She should be good to go.
Damn it.
Oh God, there's a big bar above my
Did
head.
you see your head?
I did. Just gonna toss her back. There she goes. Let's go, baby. Let's go. My hands are messed up now. Let me show you guys what we're tying on here. Justin's on one right now. If you couldn't hear his drag peeling.
Pretty big.
Is it big?
Yeah.
You lying? Do you need the net?
I'm not lying.
You need the net?
But I think it might be in the mouth.
You need the net?
Yeah.
I think you answered the question the first time. I got the net right here. Is that cool?
Yeah.
Oh, that, I would have had him. She's thick.
Alright. Flip.
Oh no! Yes! Look at that net job. Are you kidding me? Little chunky mama. Oh,
Okay,
dude,
Mom.
that is fat as frick.
Wow, dude.
Look how fat this one is, guys. Look how fat this is. Look at the stomach on that one. You want to get a weight? Look at that. Ooh, baby. All right, let's see her. Or the weight. Trying to get this camera to focus.
20.5.
20.5. Hold her up one more time. We got some good lighting. Got to take advantage of it right now. Oh, baby.
This one was in the mouth.
That's the first one we got in the mouth, right?
Yep.
Nice, dude.
Look at that. It's got a double bumps down there.
That's beautiful.
Nice fish.
Number 3, baby. Going for some more.
Let's head bomber down.
Lighting's terrible, but got it done. Woohoo! Today, all I got here is just a little jig head. Try to get this to focus. I don't know if I can. Little jig head right here, and I'm using a Kalin's plastic, which is over here somewhere. Little Kalin's plastic right here, and they're just picking up the bottom. We just feel like a little dead weight, and then we just set into them. And that's fish number 3. We hooked a lot, and we're gonna just keep going for it. We're gonna try to get some more, and hope you guys are enjoying it so far because we're doing some more stuff today. This might be part 1 of a 2-part video, so let's keep catching fish. Okay.
Get some sunlight, maybe.
Yeah, get those rays. There's one.
You want?
Yes, sir. Next cast. Come on, boys. Dude, this is the money spot right here. I'm not sure, to be honest, dude. It seems like he's kind of coming with me right now. Okay, now he's kind of... He's pretty close, though, whatever it is. I mean, the carp's pretty close. It's got to be a carp. We're really close, dude. This thing never really went that... Okay, maybe not. I don't... I'll let you know. I don't think so. Man, this is awesome, guys. I'm so tired. And these fish just pull. It's crazy. This is awesome, guys. This is like... I've only landed one, but I've hooked a couple. I've lost a ton of jigs due to some rocks down there. But this is awesome. But it's so cool. This thing's fighting so hard. Look at this, man. He's just pulling my drag. This is awesome. Did you come over here? I think, yeah, it's right here. I think that's big, dude. My judgment could be off. Because like we said, everything looks bigger when it's in the water. But I think that might be a big one. She's right here, dude. All right, here we go. She's coming right in. She's coming right in. Got her. Let's go. Let's go.
Oh, dude, that's got some weight.
Yeah. Big thickums over here. Big thickums. She's looking really good.
Good job.
This is the fish, guys. This one was 22 pounds. Can't complain. Took me a while to get it in. And you know, if you're really looking for a good bicep workout, just lift her a few times. And we're gonna toss her right back. Jeez. That was the biggest splash ever. Okay, Justin's on. Was she big? I didn't see her. I'm trying to retie. Oh, that's a nice plumpy one. Got her. Got her. Jeez, that is huge, actually. Oh my god. This thing's fat as hell, dude. Oh, that thing's huge. Beauty. Beauty, man. Look at that. We're gonna get a nice weight on her. Let's see how much she weighs. I feel like this will be the biggest of the day.
25.
25, I was right. Biggest of the day, 25. That's a big one, dude.
25 pounder.
This one's chunky. Hold this one up to me. And yeah, this one was in the mouth too. That's even better. Gonna hold her up. Oh, nice. That's a beauty right there.
It's a heavy fish.
25 pounds, bro. Ain't bad at all. It's like what, our 6th, maybe 5th? But we've hooked so many.
Yeah.
We've hooked endless amount of fish and rocks.
Yeah.
But
Yeah, this one was in the mouth and
can you show me what she's doing with her mouth there? Gotta toss her in. Skaploosh. Good fish, bro. And we're gonna get some more fish. All right, guys, that's actually gonna wrap it up for today's video and possibly part 1 of hopefully 2 parts of today's excursion up here in Wisconsin. Honestly, like I said, we came up here, didn't really know what we were gonna do, and we ended up catching a bunch of carp beneath the bridge. It was so much fun. I mean, all we got is these little twisty tail jigs, something you wouldn't imagine the carp would bite, and we were just catching 20-pounders all day. It was so much fun. And then I'll roll a clip right now. I actually caught a bass. I bass fished for about like, I don't know, maybe 10 minutes and caught a bass. I'll roll that clip right now. There's one, there's one. We're on. Stay on, come on. Oh God. I'm the chatterbait, boys, I'm the chatterbait. Let's stay on. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come get up here. Let's go. I'm the chatterbait, boys. It's not huge, but you know, first fish on the chatterbait. Been bass fishing now for about a couple minutes. Little chunkers, so we can get a quick picture. Little guy on the chatterbait, he wanted that too. We got a little Z-Man chatterbait with a 10,000 fish shimmer swimmer on the bottom of it. It's got the little strobe strip in there, so light reflects off it. Not a bad fish. There she goes, baby, let's go. So that was actually pretty cool. I just caught a bass on a chatterbait with the shimmer swimmer from 10,000 Fish. Bass love the chatterbait. And I think I'm gonna end it here. We are about to head over to a different lake and do a little bit of night fishing tonight. And hopefully there will be a part 2 to this. I hope there is, because we are targeting a very cool fish in this next video here. Thank you guys for tuning in today's video. I know we weren't doing bass today, and that's usually what I do, but I hope you guys did enjoy it. It's a little bit different fishing, you know, bridge fishing, carp fishing. It was really fun though. And I will catch you guys in the next episode. Thank you so much for 8,400 subscribers. Let's keep growing, road to 10K, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. And I can't even see a thing. I could barely even see the camera. The sun's right in my eyes, but thanks for watching. I'll see you guys later. Peace.